Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, just going to be staking this. I should have done it a few days ago. It's my beautiful Diane Joyce Oriental Poppy. As you can see there, probably 6 inches across. The flowers, absolutely gorgeous. What I'm using for this is some trusted bamboo canes. I think I put 3 in, and then I'm going to use this recycle wire that I've took down from one of my climbers. So first of all, let's just get the canes in first. Get this camera set up properly. Yeah, just let this camera get set up first, and we'll get the canes in first. I want to make sure you're in deep enough to support it. Right, the soil's a little bit too hard, so I'm going to be using these pieces of roofing bottom. Right, the soil's a little bit too hard, so what I've done, I've just used my edging shears just to get them in there. And I'll give it a go with the canes again. That's one in. All we need to do then is just put them off at the right height. And get the wire in there. So all we need to do with this is take off from one corner. All these orange ones need to be in the centre and the wire goes down. That's got out nicely. Give it a twist around. And that's it. So I'm going to show you now. So all that happened with these is, now it's been tied up, these will straighten up over the next couple of days. I've got the extra space now, I can get some cosmos in there, some other plants and flowers. But yeah, I've still got several of these to flower, so this will straighten up over the next few days. That's basically how to put plant supports in hard ground for your Oriental poppies. This one's called Diane Joyce. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.